whispering because Zori's asleep on the couch. Anyways, I just woke up from a nap and I've been not drinking. I don't understand what's happening. I've been eating cough drops for like the last 3 days. I look a little beat, a little dry, a little musty. It's okay. We're still gonna vlog. We're supposed to be uploading every Tuesday and Thursday. We're in quarantine right now because of coronavirus. By the way, I don't think I have the coronavirus. I haven't been feeling good for a while now, probably the last 4 or 5 days. So the first virus case here was close to us, but there's no possible way I got it. And if I do, shoot. I've been taking medicine, so I'm cool. I sound stuffed, but I'm not congested at all. It's just I have a lot of mucus in my throat, but my nose has been really dry. My throat has been really dry, aside from the mucus in my throat, but we're good. Like, out of nowhere, I'll get really, really hot, and then I'll get kind of cold, and I'll just, like, I've been really tired, so I've been taking a lot of naps. But just recently, my stomach has been torn down. I have been going to the restroom like 3 or 4 times since last night, and I don't understand. That's not even a symptom of the coronavirus. Something's wrong. I ate some shrimp the other day. Maybe it was bad, and that's what's making me feel some type of way, because I was kind of nauseous last night. So I think that is what it is. I don't know. My stomach's not been acting right. We both had church this morning in the front room. We put on the TV and then praise and worship. Cool fact, today Trump declared it as a national prayer day, so we prayed. I posted on the Honestly podcast Instagram. If you don't know what that is, we're gonna start a podcast soon. We just haven't technically announced it yet, but I posted on there, so you can start following it now. I just post little like quotes and stuff until we get really sit down. We start filming podcasts regularly. Follow us on Instagram on that account. We have 3 accounts. My account is Sania Lachey. Zoria is something. I'll try to put it right here, and then Honestly podcast. I'll have them all linked down in the bio below. Like I said in the beginning, we are starting to try to get consistent of 2 videos a week, so Tuesday and Thursday. If you have any video ideas for it, please let us know, because I am fresh out of ideas. We have a video that I want to film today. We probably won't, because Zori's asleep and she has to be getting up soon to get ready for work. I sound horrible. I'm gonna cook, eat, probably take another nap, show you Zori before she leaves, and then we'll see what else we do today. I am about to start cooking. This is everything I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use chicken thighs. That's different. It is parboiled rice that I'm gonna be using. I actually really like this rice better than white rice. I'm still watching Molly, and I wish she has a TV mount. She was in this video. She's talking about how she got her TV mounted, and she can kind of twist her TV. She can watch TV and cook, which I can see, but I wish I could like bring it out just a little bit and twist it as well. But I am not about to take that TV mount down, because it took forever to get that TV up here.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications.
I'm gonna let it do its little thing. I'm gonna flip it. And then when it's done, I'm gonna add the rice in it.
Over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's open.
So my camera ran out of memory, but so far the rice is in here. I've been like stirring it as I go because I don't want it to get stuck to the bottom. I'm about to add the chicken back in here, and then I'm going to cover it up and put it on low.
Open up.
Okay, so here is the finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and eat because Zori's not here yet and I'm hungry. Hi guys, it's the next day. I forgot to film an outro to the other video, so I'm about to film another video, but I wanted to go ahead and get this out of the way first. Zoria loved the food. I love the food. It was real good. I'm gonna link the recipe down below in the description bar. I got it from Instagram. It was, I think it's called Fit Meals, Fit IG Meals. I'm not sure, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys subscribe. I hope you follow us on all our social media. We also have a TikTok, so we just post a little funny stuff on there for right now, but you can go and follow us on there as well. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in our next video.